High in the Andes mountains of Bolivia lies a truly extraordinary landscape, the Salar de Uyuni. This immense salt flat stretches as far as the eye can see, a blinding white expanse under the intense Andean sun. It is a place of stark beauty and harsh conditions, a testament to the power of geological forces over millennia. The Salar de Uyuni is not merely a desolate wasteland, however. It is a landscape teeming with unique life, a testament to nature's remarkable ability to adapt and thrive in even the most challenging environments. The Salar de Uyuni is the largest salt flat on Earth, covering over 4,000 square miles. This vast salt desert is a breathtaking sight, particularly during the rainy season. When water covers the salt flats, it transforms into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky with an almost surreal clarity. This extraordinary landscape is not only a visual marvel, but also a place of ecological significance, harboring life that has adapted to this unique and extreme environment. The origins of the Salar de Uyuni can be traced back millions of years to a time when the Andes mountains were still forming. Volcanic activity and tectonic shifts created a series of massive prehistoric lakes in this region. Over time, these lakes repeatedly evaporated and refilled, leaving behind layers of sediment and dissolved minerals, including salt. As the climate changed and the Andes continued to rise, the lakes eventually dried completely, leaving behind the salt flats we see today. The salt crust that covers the Salar de Uyuni is incredibly thick, in some places exceeding 30 feet deep. This salt crust is not perfectly flat, however. It is punctuated by polygonal patterns, formed by the pressure of the salt crystals as they expand and contract with temperature changes. Beneath the salt crust lies a brine rich in lithium, a valuable mineral used in batteries and other technologies, making the Salar de Uyuni a site of both ecological and economic interest. Despite the harsh conditions, the Salar de Uyuni is far from devoid of life. A variety of specially adapted plants and animals have carved out their niches in this extreme environment. These hardy creatures demonstrate the remarkable resilience of life and the diverse ways in which organisms can adapt to even the most challenging circumstances. One of the most iconic inhabitants of the salt flats is the Andean flamingo. These striking birds, with their pink plumage, are a common sight on the Salar de Uyuni, particularly during the breeding season. Another notable resident is the vizcacha, a rodent related to the chinchilla, which has adapted to survive in the dry, salty environment. Even smaller creatures like brine shrimp and microscopic algae have found ways to thrive in the salty pools that dot the surface of the salt flats. Section 4. Thriving in harshness adaptations for a salt-dominated world. The animals and plants that call the Salar de Uyuni home have developed remarkable adaptations to survive in this extreme environment. For example, the Andean flamingos have specialized salt glands that filter out the excess salt from their bodies, allowing them to drink from the salty water sources. The vizcachas have adapted to obtain moisture from their food, surviving on the sparse vegetation that grows on the edges of the salt flats. Even the microscopic life in the salt flats exhibits extraordinary adaptations. The brine shrimp, for instance, produce a type of protein that protects their cells from the damaging effects of high salt concentrations. Similarly, the algae that thrive in the salty pools have developed pigments that shield them from the intense ultraviolet radiation of the high-altitude sun. These adaptations, both large and small, highlight the incredible diversity of life and the power of natural selection to shape organisms to fit their environment. Section 5. A fragile balance, conservation and the future of the Salar. The Salar de Uyuni, despite its seemingly barren landscape, is a fragile ecosystem. The unique plants and animals that inhabit this region are threatened by a number of factors, including climate change, mining activities and tourism. Climate change, for example, could alter the delicate balance of rainfall and evaporation that maintains the salt flats. The increasing demand for lithium, a key component in batteries for electric vehicles and other technologies, has led to increased mining activity in the Salar de Uyuni. While mining provides economic opportunities, it also raises concerns about potential environmental damage, including the contamination of water sources and the disruption of wildlife habitats. Tourism, while important for the local economy, also poses a threat if not managed sustainably. The influx of visitors can damage the fragile salt crust, disturb wildlife, and generate pollution. Protecting the Salar de Uyuni and its unique biodiversity requires careful planning, sustainable practices, and a commitment to preserving this extraordinary natural wonder for generations to come.